Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. This is a 66 Buick Riviera. The casting is by Hotwheels and it's new for 2025. And if I'm not wrong, it's the second color. The first one is more of greenish, deep turquoise kind of color. This one in black looks really good. So let's open it up and see what is there. So here you go, the Riviera is out of its box. It does miss out on a lot of details like headlamp and tail lamp, but it does have this big chrome grille in the front and chrome bumper. Also the trim on the hood, it's got a long hood and I don't know, fence in the front too, I guess. But looks nice in the black though, I guess. Coming to the driver's side, we have seen these wheels on so many different Hot Wheels throughout the years. They kind of look all right here. They look like, you know, when you put custom wheels on an older car. Chrome wheels, obviously not from 60s, I guess. But on the side, you also got Riviera and retail door handle. It's a two-door car. Also, if you look closely, the chrome base continues from front to back. So even in the back, you see the chrome bumper, and this chrome continues on the side. The body line's really like good. You don't see these anymore. It's like a long two-door car. See how I can't say much about design from the 60s and 70s. They were beautiful. Now coming to the back again, if you look closely, there are no major details. Again, chrome bumper, black paint. There's a place for number plate, but not detailed. And if you look, it's got a big trunk. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. Don't see any major differences. The interior is finished in black, and it's a 2+3, I think. 2 seats in the front and one big bench in the back. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how it looks from the bottom. So the question, should you get it? Well, it depends. If you like cars from this era, like Ford Falcons, not the Mustang is more of a muscle car, Pontiac GTO, obviously Cadillacs, and then a few more. This will go really well with that, and I think the black color looks really cool. I just wish they did the mirrors, at least on one side. That made it look even better. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.